Hey guys, what's going on? So welcome back to the channel. As you guys know, I was having those issues with the car. I haven't really diagnosed it or anything, so I haven't checked what was wrong with it. Bank 1 is reading a point off on the AFRs between bank 1 and bank 2. I'll show you a quick picture. What I'm thinking is I'm going to pull all the spark plugs out, we'll lay them all out, and we'll look at all of them, see if one of them is darker than the other, maybe it's a fuel issue, maybe it's an injector being stuck open. And then the other thing I wanted to do is we'll grab the O2 sensor from bank 1, we'll take it out, put it in bank 2, and grab the bank 2 O2 sensor to bank 1. And if the issue follows the bank, like if after I switch the O2 sensors it goes to the other one, then we know it's an O2 sensor problem, and we'll order some new ones, and maybe that'll fix the issue. But let's go, let's put in a time lapse and take the spark plugs out and go look at them. Let's go. All right, here's all the spark plugs taken out. Number 6, they'll all look about the same. 5, 4, 3, 2, I don't really see any issues in these spark plugs, so fuel might be all right. Let's just go back and switch these O2 sensors and see what happens. All right, I think the easiest way to get to this O2 sensor is we're gonna take the wheel out, get this fender liner out, and we should have access right from in here. They're right on the manifold over here, so I think it'd be a lot easier to get through here than actually around the turbo. So let's take the wheel out, the fender liner out, and then get these swapped out. All right guys, there's both of them there. Let's get them switched out. All right, here's bank 1. All right, here's bank 2. All right, so you have bank 1, bank 2. They look very similar. All right, so now let's put this one in bank 2 and then this one in bank 1. We'll start the car and see if it makes a difference. Let's go. All right, injectors are all back in. Coils all back in. And then I switched the O2 sensors. So we have bank 1, bank 2. Let's start up the car, let it run for a little bit, and we'll check the logs. Let's go. All right, so before, bank 1 was about a point lower than bank 2. So let's get this started and see what happens. All right, as you can see, bank 1 is still reading lower than bank 2. So I don't think there's an O2 sensor issue. I think we have another issue. So we're back to square one.